Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your legal consultations with Justia, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current legal consultation practices. Identify areas where you feel improvements can be made. Visit the Justia website to explore the range of services they offer. Create a free account if you do not have one already. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the platform's dashboard. Review the resources available, including articles and guides specific to legal practice. Take note of tools offered for client management and case tracking. Consider implementing Justia's legal forms and templates to streamline documentation processes. Evaluate the marketing tools provided by Justia to enhance your online presence. Utilize their client-to-lawyer referral system to expand your reach. Integrate Justia's SEO-optimized content into your website to attract more visitors. Use the analytics tools to monitor the effectiveness of your consultations. Schedule regular training sessions to keep your staff updated on new features. Encourage feedback from your clients about their consultation experience. Continuously refine your practices based on client input and analytics. Stay informed about Justia's updates and new offerings to further improve your consultations. Make it a point to engage with other legal professionals on the platform for networking opportunities. By following these steps, you can successfully upgrade your legal consultations using Justia. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.